Gummy bears. Broccoli. Aww. No one's around. Oh, come on! Gotta be quiet. Mom's asleep. Oh, hello. What's this? A lollipop. Wait, is this a trap?
Don't even think about it!
Gotta catch me first! Oh, wow! It's everything I've ever dreamed of! Is Mom around?
Nothing like a good book.
There must be a way to sneak by her. Ooh. Good afternoon, Mother. Nothing to see here.
Why is he being weird? Nice try! Now eat the broccoli!
Nah, that won't work. Think. Got it! Okay, Ducky. Let's do this.
Quack! Huh? Is that a duck?
Commando roll! Parkour! No fear, no mercy. Made it! Ha! Time for some TV.
You're just so cute.
Oh no.
You'll never escape the broccoli!
Emergency parkour! I wish I could do parkour, but that's a bad idea. Aha! I know! Hey, Mom. Wanna see a magic trick? And I'm gone!
Wow, that's impressive. Cozy.
That's it! I'm a genius! Okay, I need to strap this candy to me. I can't lose any. I think I'm ready. I think I have everything. Here goes.
So interesting.
I know this'll work. The amazing Leo will now disappear! Ah! Why is it dark? Help me! I'm scared!
Are you okay?
Whoa!
What are you doing?
I can explain.
Is that candy?
I promise it'll never happen again.
Mom, choose your weapon.
Did you really think that would work?
Well, yeah, kinda.
Oh, yeah, that's the good stuff. It's the only way I could eat broccoli. I mean, it's pretty gross. I wonder… Oh, that is much better. I wish I'd done this earlier.
Hey, Mom. Is that a lollipop?
What do you have there? No candy.
It's mine!
Oops. Give me it.
This is so unfair.
You can go. Wait. Look at the weather. It looks bad. You better take these.
Gee, thanks. This gives me an idea. I just want my candy. But first, I need these. I know this'll work. I'll open the Skittles first. Now for the tape. I'll stick the tape across the scarf. And now I'll place the Skittles on the tape. It looks like a rainbow. There. I'm happy with that. And now to wrap the scarf around me. Mom will never know.
Cleaning is so relaxing.
Ah! I'm just going out, Mom.
Let me fix your scarf. What's that on your neck? Candy? Unbelievable! I'll get rid of this silly candy. That's better. Bye. Have fun.
Bye. Heh, she fell for it. This is the best umbrella ever. Time for school. Can't forget my books. Or my candy. That's the most important thing. The final piece. Okay, I need to go.
Nothing like a relaxing day. What was that? I'm sure I heard something. Where did all this candy come from? Leo! I should have known.
La 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 la. Off to school I go. It's Such a lovely day.
The candy trail leads this way. He must be near. Wait until I get him.
Hey!
Meh.
I can't wait to eat my candy.
What's that? Leo, is she with you?
What? It can't be! I need a closer look! Mom! She found me! But how? That means… Oh no! My candy!
Can I move desks?
It's gone! It's all gone! My emergency supply. Phew. It's still here. I need to hide it before Mom gets here. And I know how! Use a knife to cut the top off a highlighter pen. Just like this. Apply glue to the nib. Then stick it to the bubblegum wrapper, pressed to ensure it's secure. Next, cover the wrapper with a piece of paper. And replace the cap. It looks good. Oh, here comes Mom!
You can't escape me, Leo. If you have any candy, there will be trouble. Where is it?
I don't have any candy.
Well, this is embarrassing. Aha! Think you can fool me? I'll just look in here. Pens? That's it?
I told you.
I'm surprised but impressed. Good boy.
Phew. That was too close. I deserve a treat. Look at this. I'll peel off the paper. Here you go.
Aw, thanks.
I'm so glad Mom missed this. It's good, right? I should put my pocket money in my piggy bank. I need to keep my money safe. Although, I could buy some candy. I want that money. I'm gonna get so much candy. That's it? There must be more.
Aw, that's disappointing.
At least I can still get some candy. What should I buy? Oh, what's this? Nope. I need something that's in my price range. There must be something. Skittles. Oh, it costs too much. Come on. Oh, candy laces. Seriously? Ugh. This store is so expensive. Gummy bears. Wow, they're on sale. This is more like it.
Oh, that tastes so good.
I can't wait to eat these gummy bears.
I should eat candy more often.
Home at last. If Mom sees this candy, she'll be mad. Is she in there?
Yummy!
I need to sneak this by her. But how? I know how! Take a plain necklace. Then attach the gummy bears to it. Wow, it's so fashionable. I better go in.
Oh no! Leo's home! I need to hide this!
Mom?
Yes, dear?
How are you?
Good. Completely normal. Is that a new necklace?
This old thing? Nope. I got it for my birthday.
I like it. It suits you.
Oh, I thought she was on to me. Delicious!
A healthy diet is important, but we're allowed a sweet treat every now and then, right? What's your best tip for sneaking candy past your parents? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.